guys, just got back from Walmart. Just wanted to show you. I have a few things today. Sometimes you just want to pick up a couple of things at a time because you want things to be fresh. So I got some nice carrots. I love those for my stir fries, my salads, my carrot muffins. So versatile. And zucchini in practically everything. My zucchini noodles. I love zucchini bread, my zucchini muffins, and stir fries and barbecues, you name it. I love to grill them. So amazing. And of course, my apples that I posted with PP2 powder the other day. And apples, slices, make them into muffins, use them for my waffles, my pancakes. I absolutely love, and they are so nutritious. And some strawberries that I put in my salads as well. And I love them just as a snack. You can dip those in PB2, in yogurt, and in your smoothies. I absolutely love my strawberries and of course blueberries as well, that I do the same thing. My smoothies, my salads, just as a snack. They're just so delicious and low in sugar. Berries are the lowest in sugar. Now, I did buy some of these wine grapes. I love wine grapes. They're in season right now, depending when you watch this, and those are a nice treat. Remember, 1 cup of fruit on WW at a time. And I love having some pecans and almonds, and I also have some sliced almonds that I'm going to bake. Because I love them for my recipes. I like them as a snack. I love them on my muffins. I love them on my salads, right? They're so delicious and just give that extra texture and fiber, which are nice and healthy as long as you are careful. I like to just put them in the little toaster oven with a little bit of olive oil spray, a little bit of Himalayan salt, okay? And my bananas, of course, I love a good banana, and I love them in my smoothies just as a snack. Dip them in the PB2 powder or some Cool Whip or yogurt. In your oatmeal, of course, you can put all these fruits in oatmeal as well, and baked oatmeal, which I have in my YouTube videos. This is one of my favorite low-fat cheeses, the Asiago, and I get that also at Walmart because for 6 tablespoons, only 110 calories, people, and super flavorful to use in so many of my recipes. Of course, you can make dressings with it. You can add it to your salad. You can add it to your waffles, like when you have a savory waffles, your frittatas, your eggs. Okay, so many things you can use it for. And I love having these chicken strips, and I have them a lot during the year. A great snack to have for high protein and satisfying, but I put them on my rice cakes, my pierogies. I just eat it like that, throw them in my salad, throw them in my stir fries, add them to my waffles, okay? And frittatas, quiches, and they're cooked already, so that makes it really nice and easy. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. All right, don't forget, Risa Weiner YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell everybody. And I have so many healthy recipes. And I have a few other splurge ones. I don't like to say, cheat ones or unhealthy, because you're allowed everything in moderation. So I hope this was helpful for you, for some tips of different things that you can make and use for your recipes. Please tag me and post any of the videos that you make of mine. I really, really appreciate it. And I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. So I'm everywhere, and I'm here for support. Love you guys so much. Take care, be well, comment, like, and let me know if this was helpful. Bye for now.